Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you this journal that I've completed. This is a soft cover. It's got 2 layers of cardstock sewn together. It's been inked up with vintage photo. I've used a digital kit from Ephemer's Vintage Garden, and I think this was probably one of the first ones that I had bought when I started making journals about 5 years ago. I'd recently seen, I was looking for something on YouTube and I come across a video of someone who'd actually used this, and I thought, you know what, I haven't used this in a long time, so I will print it out and use it. So I'm here to share it. The images on this are so pretty. I'll have to look and see all the other kits that I forgot that I've got. You know, the ones that you bought years ago, and then, you know, you keep buying new ones and getting new ones, and you forget about the old ones, and the old ones are classics. And this one is a classic. So I've named it Discover. I don't know did I say it's called Cottage Garden? I can't remember if I said that or not. So I've used one of the papers on the inside, so you can actually journal on that. I love this like pale blue. It's really pretty. So I've used some of the pages. Haven't obviously used them in the throughout the journal, but I have used them as pockets and tucks in the journal. And I've got a new stencil, and so naughty, it's not in its pack, and I can't remember what it's called now. Let me tell you. It is called it's called Blossom. Don't know if you can see that right there, Blossom. So I was using that for the first time, and it's really pretty. Some tags, some handmade tags. There's a lot of birds in here. I was going to say butterflies. There's lots of birds images in here. Paper flower here, just stamped the word Believe, made a little banner there. It's got some eyelash trim and some gauze there. We've got this lovely lace on the page, on the edge of the page. Here I've just made a corner tuck, and there is ephemera here from Tsunami Rose, handmade tag, and a little bookmark with a bird on it. Got a doily, butterfly ticket and gauze with some eyelash trim. Paper bag, some music paper, some lined paper, done some edge punching along there, some more stenciling, got a top tuck here, some journaling cards there, some more of this lovely lace, and another pocket here. All the pockets at the sides, at the edges, I haven't actually glued them in so that you can slide things in, because sometimes you lose a little bit of space when obviously you glue both sides. So I decided not to, because I'm finding with my own journals I'm struggling to tuck my memorabilia in because of the size of things, and some things you just don't want to fold. So that's just my little way of thinking there. Some more lace trim here. There's lots of places to journal. This is the middle of the signature, and I've made 2 pockets, and in each one we've got handmade tag, another, I think this was from Christie Art Designs, and so is that, I think. And same here. I think you get 4 of them in a set. It's just tied in a bowl here. We've got some more paper flowers and some little banners here that say cherish and adore. Paper bag. Some more ephemera. You can hear I'm all stuffed up. I don't know if it's allergies, because allergy season has kicked in, or it's cold, but it's really annoying me. I don't really feel ill with it, so I think it's just allergies, but I do sound stuffed. A doily here with some gauze and a ticket and a butterfly. Here we've got another pocket, and this open this side. I've got a tag, some ephemera, handmade tag there, Tiffany & Co, and a postcard. And another handmade tag, one of these butterfly birds. I've got butterflies in the brain. And another tag there. I think it's because I'm thinking about working on a butterfly journal next. So that is the journal, and this is actually already gone, but I just wanted to share this with you. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.